Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome and welcome back. I just realized I've been excluding all of the newbies. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. It's time for the general assembly of this book. Now, as you remember, I took this Time Life book, and that's what I gutted to use for the covers of these. I think that I am going to not talk. I am just going to assemble this because I think we've pretty much talked it to death, and I don't think anything else needs to be talked about. When I get to assembling these pages, I may talk about that. I think this is a little bit thinner than the string that Patricia used, and I have some of this, but this is about the same as this, and I think this would be stronger. I don't have any of the thicker weight thread, so I think I'm going to use this one. It's kind of a natural grungy color, and I don't use it very often. You can see I got quite a bit. I wanted to use black, but my black is almost gone, so I need to order some more. So what I'm going to do is cover these covers and start assembling, and I'm just going to probably fast forward through a lot of this. If you want to see a slower, detailed process, feel free to jump over to Patricia's channel. She explains everything in really, really good detail. And yeah, so enjoy. Hi guys. Am I recording? Yes. Okay. Okay, so apparently I had too many videos on my camera. It stopped recording and gave me a corrupted file notification on my camera. So, stopped what I was doing. Well, actually I finished what I was doing, stopped video, and after I finished, I went and uploaded the video to my laptop, and the last video is gone. So I'm going to talk you through what I did, and if you need more information, you can go look at Patricia's part 11 video, and she will explain it more fully. But I'm going to tell you what I did. I was attaching the pages, and I used bookbinding waxed cord for this, and I cut it maybe, I don't know, 6 or 7 inches. I started with the back, and going through each eyelet, here, let me cut a piece and just show you. I went through the eyelet, okay, and went around one. I'm not doing it tight because I don't want it to stay. 2, you'll do it just tight enough. 3, 4, 5, you get the idea. I did that 5 times. I'm going to cut that off. In the binding. Then I added the page, and I tied a square knot on top. Now, if you don't know what a square knot is, a square knot goes over and under the second time so that it locks it in, and then I just trimmed them a 1/2 inch, but that'll keep my stuff from coming apart. It seemed to work really well. Everything lays flat when I turn the page, nothing's standing up, so I think we're good on that, and we're going to carry on. So I think after this part, and you can see the little braid, it looks like a little braid when you do just 5. Those are, I guess, half knots, just tight enough. You don't want to cinch it so tight that you cut through that binding, or you know, cut it with the eyelet or whatever, but that little bit gives me about 1/4 inch height on the page between here and the item. So you need that room for everything to lay flat. Okay, so I apologize. I wasn't paying attention. I was just videotaping. I'm old school. I was recording too long to actually get all of that on one SD card. So the next portion, I guess, is just going to be gluing on the back cover. So that'll be next.